So today's video, I'm gonna do a get ready for homeschooling with me.
Hi.
Get ready for homeschooling with me because the year is about to start.
No way.
Yeah, wait. Yes, so the year's about to start. So as you guys are tidying up your closets, pulling out old books that you don't need, putting new books that you do need on the shelf, you can watch this video in the background and know you're not alone in doing all of this. But as I go through all of this, I'm gonna kind of show you some things in my wonderful homeschool closet. So I do have my two girls with me who are going to help me clean, right?
Why?
All right, so let's just kind of clean, and then as we go, I'll go up to the camera and say stuff. This cart right here is the cart that comes with me to homeschool co-op, and I'm gonna make a bunch of giveaway stuff in here.
Yeah, it does.
It is, right. So I'm putting books in here, things that I know I'm not gonna need, things that I didn't know I had. I think this is, I might use this. So I teach homeschool at a homeschool co-op. I teach science and I teach logic. We're gonna do the fallacy detective and Dr. Lyle's logic book, which I have a bunch of these books sitting right here. Ready to go, ready to go. This is just a small bookshelf of stuff that I'm keeping. And then I've got all my Apologia stuff up here, geography. But see, when I don't know, I'm gonna keep Galloping the Globe, I think, for Naomi. It's a really good one.
Wow, how much of this do we have?
I don't know if you could see this back here, but this is the reality of my homeschool portfolio. This is because I'm homeschool evaluator and I just keep everything in a box. It's my portfolio, and if I need to whatever, bring it to the district, it's right here. I think the girls are just really excited to help clean. Fishing wire. I mean, I have so many random, random things in here because I do teach science at a homeschool co-op, and I mean, I just...
Oh, like this for forensic science? Okay,
forensic science.
Ethan pretended to be dead for a fake crime scene.
Right in front of me, I have a box of curriculum that I bought for this year, and so I'm going to start sorting it because some of it is actually going to go to the co-op. We're doing earth science this year. Hannah put it in the crate.
Wait, we're giving it away?
No, we're not giving it away. Well, because when we go to the co-op, we're going to bring the books that I use for the curriculum. Yeah, and then this is, we're going to do the Renaissance. So that, there's a pile right over here. Just start a new pile. I also have all my IEW curriculum, so I'm going to put all, for now, I'm going to put all my IEW curriculum right here. So I have this one for the older son.
Wait, is this for me?
Yeah, that's for you. So she's going to be starting up. In fact, Hannah, why don't you go ahead and open this up and put it inside. So go sit over there on the pile.
And what do I do?
And just stick it all behind all. So like there's like dividers in there. Stick everything behind the dividers.
What thing?
You'll see it. See those dividers?
Yeah.
Pull them back and just stick all the papers behind the dividers. So we're using Apologia and Answers in Genesis for master books. So these are gonna go, yep, dinosaurs. Take that and put that inside the black crate. Here, these go in the crate too. Let's do, this is your Fix-It Grammar. Let's see, this is Nose Tree. No. This is Teacher Edition, so I'm gonna keep the Teacher Edition in the closet. And then the Student Edition, do you want to put your name at the top of it? In a permanent marker? We'll do that.
Sure.
Fix-It Grammar for the boys. That's gonna go on their shelf. Yeah, there's one for each. We're gonna put that on their shelf in the classroom.
Do both Robin Hood.
Yeah, they're both doing the same thing. Here's vocabulary, BJU vocabulary.
Hannah, and then I'm gonna write my brother's name.
So now I have an empty box. This is a good thing. I'm changing my mind because the giveaway pile in the crate is getting kind of big. So we're gonna make this the giveaway pile. Hannah, you're gonna do this.
Can I put it out?
All right, we're also gonna get out of the closet because I think I did what I need to do in here. I walked in this room and I'm feeling the need to cry.
well,
You're gonna cry for him.
You can cry more. You don't need to cry.
Okay, so in the process of going through everything, I found a lot of books that because sometimes I just pick up books. Did anybody else do that? You just pick up books like because you're a homeschool mom? Okay, so I did. And I'm actually thinking, because we have a couple more weeks left of summer, and we are gonna do Anna Green Gables Total Language Plus. We finished our unit study on modern day Israel, which was a blast. I'm totally gonna have to make a video of that. But these are the books that I found. I found a BJU book. I think it's like 6th or 7th grade curriculum. I thought maybe we could try a couple of these out this summer to see if I like this curriculum just for fun, because that's what homeschool moms do, things for fun that aren't normally fun. I also found this book, Understanding Text Passports. I have no clue where I got this or what it is, but it looks like, well, I know what it is. It's a geography book and it's for 5th and 6th grade, and so since I have a 6th grader, it doesn't look that hard. So I was like, hey, you know what? Why don't we try it? Why not? My son, I've been torturing my kids. She cannot contain the excitement that she has right now when it comes to cleaning. Neither can this one either. It's like a little bit ridiculous. Okay. So I also found this book from Critical Thinking Company. I have no clue if I'm going to use this since I have Fix It Grammar, IEW. So,
Naomi, can you please calm down?
I'll just put it in an area that I'll see it, and if I never use it, I never use it. I just found it one day, and it's just... But I am going to keep these two guys out. This is a mess. I'm going to cry. In this room, I actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 doors, one for each kid. So this is Naomi's. There's not really too much that I am doing. But see, this is not it, because Miss Naomi, I feel like we're just so hands-on with everything. We also have this entire shelf of things that we pull out, like literally regularly. And these are her cards. She's like literally obsessed with cards. If you ever want to buy anything for Naomi, I'm just throwing this out there. Cars. Even though she has like a ton of cars, so maybe not cars. This is the stuff that I use daily, literally daily with her. So I have this right here, and we actually have been doing our schoolwork in this little corner that's just away from everything. Freedom to Learn, that's the book I wrote. I'm going to stick a link down there. You can check it out. I would say it's safe to say Naomi's shelf is done. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of close it. Yeah, this is Hannah's drawer. This is her shelf. Usually I put teacher editions in that, and then the stuff she pulls out goes right here. So let me work on that. Okay, as total typical homeschool life, I've got board games in the wrong spot. So my son, who just joined me, come here. He's gonna take this up. Yeah, you can come here. Don't be shy. You're gonna take this upstairs and put it in the game closet nicely. Thank you. I'm getting the whole family involved. Okay, I think what I am gonna do this year, in all honesty, is on the inside of these cabinets right here, I'm going to put their daily work on there so that I don't have to keep rewriting it on the board. I'm just gonna stick it on the inside of each of these cabinets and there's no questions. Like it's right there. Because when I look at these cabinets, all I see is like a stack of books, and there's no, I just write it. What do you think, Isaac? Just writing it right there. Boom.
Where?
What? I'm gonna write the schedules right here so you know what you have to do every day.
Okay.
Oh, and on mine too?
Yeah, for you too. Totally. It'll be organized. I'll show you what it looks like.
Instead of writing it on the...
Yeah, I'm sick of writing it on the board every day. I mean, it works when we switch things up, but this year we're taking it way easier. We are only doing co-op once a week this year. Because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I've been able to move all of Naomi's co-ops so they don't interfere with any of her schooling. And Monday, they're home most of the day, but we start on extracurricular activities at 3 o'clock. So at night on Mondays, it's going to be a lot of extracurricular activities. So I think Monday is going to be homework for the co-op, and then Tuesday is going to be co-op, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is going to be like my schoolwork stuff. So for the most part, we got the room somewhat done. I mean, of course, I want to put up those on the cabinets. I want to put up what they have to do every single day. And that's about it. Of course, restock with pencils, you know, make sure that area is clean, those little things, minor things. We still have a couple more weeks of summer right now as I speak. Maybe not when I upload this, but right now as we speak, we have a few days of summer left, weeks of summer left. So we're gonna do a couple things before I start restocking the other stuff. But yeah, looking forward to that. So I do hope that you guys have a wonderful new upcoming year. I hope it's beautiful and blessed and peaceful and all the things that you want homeschooling to be. So lots of surprises too for you guys that are new homeschoolers and seasoned homeschoolers. Homeschooling is always surprising. Parenting is always surprising. So anyway, thank you guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.